In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a workspace in Visual Studio Code. This is a really useful trick if you often work on similar projects, or if you want to experiment with changes without affecting your original setup. Duplicating a workspace lets you keep the same folders, layout, and open files, but in a separate copy you can tweak freely. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is open on your computer. If it isn't already running, go ahead and launch the app the same way you normally do, whether that's from your desktop, your taskbar, or your applications menu. Once Visual Studio Code is open, wait a moment for it to fully load your current project or workspace. Now, look towards the top left corner of the Visual Studio Code window. You'll see the main menu bar there. Move your mouse to the option labeled File. This is where most of the actions related to opening, saving, and managing your workspaces live. Click on File to open the drop-down menu. In this file menu, you'll find a list of different commands. What you're looking for here is the option that says Duplicate Workspace. This option allows you to create a new window of Visual Studio Code that mirrors your current workspace setup. Carefully move your cursor down the list until you see Duplicate Workspace, and then click on it. When you select this option, Visual Studio Code will open a new window. This new window is a duplicate of your current workspace. That means the same folders are loaded, the same files can be seen in the Explorer, and even your layout, like split editors and panels, should match what you had before. From here, you can use this duplicated workspace just like any other project window. A helpful tip is to use one window for stable, production-ready code, and use the duplicated workspace window for testing out changes, trying new extensions, or rearranging your layout without worrying about losing your original setup. You can switch between the original and the duplicated workspace using your operating system's taskbar or window switcher. If at any point you no longer need the duplicate, simply close that window the way you normally close programs. And that's all there is to it. By opening Visual Studio Code, clicking on File, and choosing Duplicate Workspace, you can quickly create a separate, identical environment to work in, giving you more flexibility and control over how you manage